Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Legality of Issues. In today's lecture we will cover some questions which put before accused while he is recording his confession. So magistrate is bound to ask these questions from accused while accused recording his confession. Under section 164 CrPC, following question shall be put before accused while accused recording his confession. Question 1. Do you understand that you are not bound to make a confession? Question 2. Do you understand that your statement is being recorded by magistrate and that if you make a confession, it may be used as evidence against you? And question 3. How long you have been in a police custody? And question 4. Do you understand that after making a statement before me, you will not be remanded to police custody but will be sent to the judicial lockup? And question 5. Understanding these facts, are you making a statement before me voluntarily? And question 6. What are your reasons for wishing to make a statement? So guys, these are the questions when accused is recording his confession. So the magistrate is bound to ask these questions from accused. Thank you so much for watching. For more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.